Welcome to Xcluder's product installation video. My name is Jeremy, and we're going to show you how to install the Xcluder X-Plate.
The X-Plate is an adjustable escutcheon plate that will seal around pipes with a diameter ranging from 1/2 inch to 3 inches. The X-Plate's adjustability allows it to be installed near countertops and other obstacles. When cutting the X-Plate to the size needed, you can cut anywhere from the corner to the etch line marked on each front section piece. Sometimes you'll need to cut through the back section piece as well. This is okay. However, if you cut in between the etch line and the pipe, you will damage the X-Plate and it will no longer function as designed. The X-Plate can be used inside or outside. To begin, determine the size of the gap from the pipe to the wall. If the gap is 1/4 inch or greater, you will use the provided anchors. If the gap is less than 1/4 inch, you'll use the provided caps. Create 2 halves each using one front section piece and one back section piece. Match alignment holes and slide together, creating the 2 halves. Insert either the anchors or the caps. Next, wrap the fill fabric gasket around the pipe, cut or tear to the size needed. If installing with anchors, slide the 2 halves together tightly around the pipe and fill fabric gasket. Make sure the X-Plate is tight enough around the pipe to compress the fill fabric. Slide the assembled X-Plate against the wall. Use the provided anchor screws to secure the X-Plate to the wall. If installing caps, apply a gel-like adhesive or any equivalent adhesive to the back of the back tabs. Slide the 2 halves together tightly around the pipe and fill fabric gasket. Make sure the X-Plate is tight enough around the pipe to compress the fill fabric. Slide the assembled X-Plate against the wall, pressing firmly, making sure the adhesive takes hold, securing the X-Plate to the wall. Adding a sealant to the exterior edge of the X-Plate is an optional last step for installation. This will help adhere the X-Plate to the wall and fill in any small gaps created by rough texture on the wall. Installation of your Xcluder X-Plate is now complete.
If you'd like to see more Xcluder product installation videos or installation tip videos, visit our Xcluder YouTube channel. Or if you have any other questions, simply give us a call. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.